The AKS cutting system 5-axis robo-cut robotic plasma bevel head is a unique and innovative design, a true first for the industry when introduced in 2009. Robo-cut technology is covered by multiple U.S. patents that help us to achieve unmatched cutting precision for weld prep and bolt-ready hole cutting operations. The robo-cut can cut up to plus or minus 45-degree angles and bevels, while executing precision bevel cuts for all standard weld preparations including A, V, X, top Y, bottom Y, and K bevels. The AKS robo-cut also cuts precision small holes and can achieve a 1/2-to-1 ratio for bolt hole diameter to plate thickness. Robo-cut bolt-ready holes have unmatched wall straightness, minimal taper, and superior lead-in and lead-out. The compact AKS robo-cut hardware is machined from a solid aluminum billet offering higher tolerances than weldments or stampings. Our unique mounting system allows the programmer to optimize cutting motion with unlimited rotation and no wind-up restrictions. The magnetic breakaway head prevents damage upon head crash. Our torch height control sensor allows the torch tip to follow the contour of the material, mathematically and physically compensating for warped material and uneven surfaces. AKS RoboCut software is the industry benchmark for hypertherm bevel machine interface and bevel post-processor technology. By coupling the hypertherm TrueHole and TrueBevel technology stack with the superior accuracy of the AKS RoboCut, users can achieve precision contour beveling and cut finer and smaller diameter holes. The AKS RoboCut is available on both the AKS AccuCut and the AKS DuraCut machines. Please ask your sales representative for more information.